Okay, so first of all, let me just acknowledge that I don't have two lights coming out of my shoulder and neck area. Um, it's just the room that I'm in. Um, First of all, let me just acknowledge that these two lights here are not coming out of my neck. It's just the room that I happen to be in. Let me initially say that the next two lessons, lesson number 15 and lesson number 16, are very important because we are going to help you, I hope, know how to search quicker and more efficiently for information on the internet. So maybe some of you have heard of some of these types of strategies that you can use to search. And then again, maybe some of you, it'll be your first time. So what I would like to do is I would like to introduce you to one of these search functions that I believe will help you to be able to find information that you want to find quicker, and it will help you to, when you are reading information on the internet, it will give you a tool to use to be able to do some fact checking on your own. Because as we know, in this day and age, many times the information that we read on the internet just simply isn't accurate. And so this tool, I think, will help you to have an idea of how to search and to find the sources of the information or the disinformation in a quicker and more efficient way. So let's dive into that. You can see this picture of a lady who is putting on her lipstick. So this picture is very provocative. Okay, so it's police and a crowd, and there are people who are squished together, and it seems as if the police are angry potentially, or at least on a note of of alert. And so this lady, however, is making the most of the situation by using the shield that's in front of her to act as a mirror to put on her lipstick. So it's a provocative picture in that way. Now, some news outlets use this picture and talked about it as if it was taking place in Turkey. Let me show you one of those. Okay, as you can see, this is the picture that I just showed you of that lady putting on her lipstick, and this is a language that you might not recognize. It's Hungarian. So let's translate this page and see what happens. All right. We see that the headline of the article says the daylight strike in Turkey was spread with tear gas. Okay, so this apparently is written on March 9th of 2019 by Mr. Tibor, and it is speaking about the Women's Day in Istanbul, in Taksim, on that Friday. Okay? And you can see that the article goes down. There's some video of the Women's March in Istanbul. Okay? Now, my question is, where is this picture taken? Okay, so what I want to do is I'm going to go to Google Images. I'm going to get to that website. I'm going to click search by image, and then I'm going to upload that image. I've actually saved that image to my desktop. And so I'm going to just open that up, bam, like that, and put that in and see what happens as it searches for that image. Is that lady in Turkey or not? Okay, so we have women lipstick riot shield. Oh, this is interesting. This is from May 13th, 2015, according to The Guardian. And then we have Macedonian protest. Women uses police shield. Okay, so it looks like there's a lot of use of the word Macedonia. A woman protester in Macedonia. It looks like we have another woman protester in Macedonia uses riot shield as a mirror. Okay, so it seems as if, and if we click on that Guardian link, it seems as if this picture is about 4 years old. All right, and yeah, I mean, and then she's actually kissing it here. Okay, so there she is putting it on, and yeah, so May 6, 2015, that's 4 years ago. So what it seems that this Hungarian paper has done is taken a picture that was of Jasmina Globowska, 30-year-old political analyst for the Helsinki Committee for Human Rights and a seasoned activist campaigning. She was in Skopje, demonstrating against the alleged cover-up for the killing of a 22-year-old woman in 2011. Okay, so you see where I'm getting at, right? The point is, people can use images to make statements. But what we need to do is to have the tools available so that we can search to see, is this really a Turkish woman? No, it's not. Are these policemen in Turkey? No, they're not. And maybe what we could say is that this is a provocative, kind of explanation of what took place in the women's marches in March 9th, 2019 in Turkey. It helps to make the case that women are strong, but unfortunately, it's not accurate in terms of where it was taken. So what I would like for you to do is to come to class tomorrow and learn about some other search features that are available on Google search that will help you, again, to be able to search more efficiently, quickly, and to be able to use this as one of the academic tools that you put in your toolkit so that you'll be able to be more of an informed reader and also really to have an opportunity to know how to search better, as I said, to be a quicker searcher of information and think through how you can do that better, okay? We'll look forward to seeing you in class.